In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run sales by product report in QuickBooks Online. We'll start inside your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand menu and open the Reports section. This is the hub for everything you need to understand your business performance, and it's where you'll find the sales breakdown by individual products and services. At the top of the Reports page, use the search bar to quickly narrow things down. Type the word Sales. You'll see a list of sales-related reports appear. From that list, select Sales by Product, Service, Detail. This is the detailed version of the report that shows every transaction line tied to each product or service you sell, making it perfect for understanding not just totals, but what's driving those totals. When the report opens, head to the top where you can set the report period. Choose a preset like last month, this quarter, or this year to date, if that matches your needs. Presets are a great time saver and help you stay consistent with your monthly or quarterly reviews. If you need a specific range, click the From field and select the exact start date you want. Then click the To field and select the end date. Custom dates are helpful if you're looking at a special promotion window, a seasonal period, or a time frame that doesn't align perfectly with calendar months. As the period updates, the report shows a line-by-line view of sales activity organized by product or service. You'll typically see the transaction date, the customer, the transaction type, the quantity sold, rate, and the amount. Review these lines to spot your top-performing items, slow movers, and any unusual entries. If something looks off, like a missing product or an unexpected amount, it can be a clue to double-check how that transaction was recorded. Use this report to answer practical questions. Which items are selling most often, which have the highest revenue, and which might need pricing or inventory attention. If you run recurring reviews, try using the same period each time so your comparisons stay consistent. And remember, a custom period is especially useful when you need to evaluate a campaign or test a new product launch. Once you're comfortable with the period and the results, you've got exactly what you need to monitor product performance, make informed purchasing decisions, and plan smarter promotions. And that's all it takes. You've just learned how to run the Sales by Product Service Detail report in QuickBooks Online and how to read it with confidence.